Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQL programming. So for today I'm going to describe another two keywords that are going to help you in order to search through your databases much better. First keyword that I'm going to describe today is keyword in. So how you're going to use it? It's going to be used with where keyword, where price in, then open brackets, and I'm going to say 2.0, 3.0 and 7.2. If I run this code, you see what we got. We got elements where price is 2 USD, 3 USD and 7.2 USD per unit. How this code actually works. With this first part you are actually going to select every single element from an item table, and now we are going to provide condition with this where keyword. And what condition is? Condition is that price must be in this array, and you are going to provide an array of prices, means array of values. These values does not have to be numerical. I'm going to show you that in next example, and you are going to separate every single element by comma. And now I'm going to show you another way. So now we are going to deal with item name, so not numerical table. And here values must be provided within these quotations, and I'm going to ask for sugar, comma, of course must be there, and salt. And if I run this code, you see we have sugar and salt. And now I want to show you another keyword that is going to be interesting to you. So the same thing, we are going to select every element from item table, and then keyword for condition. And condition it's going to be that price is going to be between 3.0 and 7.0. If I run this code, as you see, this is our result. With this code we could select every element with prices in range in between 3 USD and 7 USD per unit. And of course this keyword cannot be used with values other than numerical. So this is all for this episode. If you are satisfied with this content, please subscribe and see ya.